And then you can open this and adjust the settings and how long you want it. And to put it back, literally, it's sturdy, like I'm pushing on this really hard. I'm pulling on it. The tape on it is great. It's better than command strips.
This wasn't a good fit, so I really like this one. It's really easy to use even with only one hand, and then I'll go inside here and you'll see that it's even easy to use from the other side. We got this to keep my dogs out of the cat room, which you can hear my dog squeaking her toy right now, so sorry about that. And as you can see, that's the space. It's pretty easy for a cat to pass through as well.
Now the cats can get down there, but Daisy can't get to the shit box. Come here. Hi. They're confused.